Welcome, master designers. Tonight is gonna be my first ever and our first ever How to Draw PJ Masks special. And what better way than to draw one of the greatest machines in the PJ Masks universe, PJ Robot. Get ready, everyone. I'm happy you all are here. PJ Robot is a great ally of the PJ Masks and is a very useful helper and a great friend as well. No one can save the day better than PJ Robot, and no one can help get it done. Alexa, next song. Sorry for that. Alright, next we draw this lid. PJ Robot has been in a lot of episodes lately, and I'm starting to think that's really awesome. PJ Robot, he even operates and knows the PJ Masks headquarters like the palms on his chest. More than that, he's also a really strong fighter. PJ Robot is also considered the fourth member of the PJ Masks. Now we draw this line here. Got it. Got that done? Alright, now we draw this. Now that Alright, so now that's it. Night Ninja. Got this. Now we draw this mark, and since he's guardian of PJ Masks' headquarters, he now has the special mark of the PJ Masks himself. There. We draw a gecko on the bottom. Catboy in the middle. And owlette on the top. The PJ Masks elements are the spirit animals, like the cat, the gecko, and the owl. They're spirit animals. Nobody knows how the PJ Crystal arrives on Earth. But we've heard that it was brought with special powers. There. And in celebration of our first PJ Masks episode, we're playing all the greatest hits that the PJ Masks have played, and each one is one of his favorites. There he is. There's one last hand to draw. Ah, yeah. There. We go. Huh.
It's time to get up and show us your superpowers. With Super Cat Speed, you can zoom through the night. Move so fast with your Super Cat Speed.
With super animal wings, you can fly out of sight.
Flap your wings, flap your wings.
With Super Gecko muscles, you're as strong as can be.
Together we make an unstoppable team.
And here's a special feature on PJ Robot. He's got these mechanical wings sticking out of his back. A powerful ally. There he is. One of the most powerful allies of the PJ Masks. He'll never let you down, neither will they. Now, this guy, what a true hero. I hope you all enjoyed this great episode of PJ Masks. I hope you all enjoyed this episode. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel, and let me know what awesome character you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later.